So in life, there are four things which we are used to do. What are the four things which are common between us and animals? Ahara, eating. Now all the four have to be regulated. That is the first thing. Now why people don't recognize actually they are in a problem? अब आदमी को हिंदी भी है जब आदमी को ये मालूम नहीं है कि बीमार है वो दवाई नहीं लेगा तो पहला ये चीज हमको देखना है कि हम इस दुनिया में खुश हैं या तड़प रहे हैं ये सैनिटी आती है जो आदमी ये स्वीकार करता है कि वो प्रॉब्लम में है वो ही दवाई लेता है करेक्ट जो आदमी सोचता है भाई मैं कुछ अचीव कर दिया वो कभी भी साधना नहीं करेगा तो वो कभी दवाई लेगा ना कुछ करेगा he will not be serious. When a person agrees he is in problem, then he will accept medicine. And medicine means doctor will always regulate. You go to doctor, he will say, no, you should not do this, you should do this. Correct? We note down everything. आयुर्वेद में ज़्यादा बोलते हैं, एलोपैथी में कम बोलते हैं. आयुर्वेद में ये नहीं खाने का, वो भी नहीं खाने का, ये नहीं खाने का, बड़ा लिस्ट आ जाता है. Anyway, whatever it is, but doctor will regulate you. Shas means regulator. Shastra means regulation. Shastra ka, the very point when you pick up a book, you should know it is trying to regulate you. Never think these books are nothing but regulations. How to lead my life, what to do, what not to do. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha janana asura janaha. जो असुर लोग हैं उनको इससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है क्या करना है नहीं करना है जो भक्त है उसको बहुत ये करना है ये नहीं करना है ये करना है ये नहीं करना है जितना आप अपने को रेगुलेट करेंगे उतना आप you become gentleman. It's clear, this point is clear. Regulation is part of spirituality. धर्मम तु साक्षात् भगवत् प्रणीत ये शास्त्र विधि उत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारिणः न तो सिद्धिमाप्नोति न शांति न परां गति जो शास्त्र विधि के अनुसार नहीं चलते उनका जीवन वेस्ट है ये शास्त्र विधि उत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारिणः न तो सिद्धिमाप्नोति न शांति न परां गति so those people who do not follow shastra vidhi what happens to them they do not achieve param gati na siddhi na shanti na siddhi mapnoti na shanti na paramgati. Everything is a failure. So Shastra Vidhi, first principle before go to what the content says, Shastra Vidhi is for our good. And if we follow Shastra Vidhi, there is a hope of liberation from this world and go back to Krishna's service. But if you do not follow Shastra Vidhi, then Prabhupada says very nicely, process is very simple and nice, don't make joke out of it. If you make joke out of this process, then Krishna is joker of the jokes. तो ना आप ऐसे घुमाएंगे, आपको कुछ Prabhupada says in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Arjuna, if you do not follow me, you will be lost. हाँ जाओगे किस जंगल में, किस जोनी में, पता भी नहीं चलेगा, ढूंढ के भी पता नहीं चलेगा. Therefore, Shastra Vidhi is the moment we are outside Shastra Vidhi, we are outside protection of the Lord. Moment we are within the Shastra Vidhi, we are giving pleasure to the Lord.